Hey guys, it's Scott, and today I want to tell you about the Kingvo Plastic Restorer that I received from the manufacturer. Now, they sent this to me for my honest review, so I'm going to try it out and tell you. But this is a ceramic coating suitable for plastics and vinyl tops on your car, even rubber products, it says. And it's going to provide some really long-lasting UV protection, crack protection, and it'll help hide your scratches and stuff on your plastic components. So I just wanted to show you. I got a 4-pack of them here. And it says that there's a 3-year shelf life on them, so I'll probably use it up way before then because I've got several vehicles and a couple of watercrafts. So as you can see inside, it comes packaged nicely in this beautiful box. And you have this, it's a relatively small bottle, but it feels pretty heavy for how small it is. And you do also get the little applicator pad. Now I'm going to hop out and we'll show you some up-close demonstrations on how this product works. So we have lots of old plastic trim work here on this car. And I've got the Kingvo. I'm wearing a glove because they do recommend that you use a glove. Putting a few drops on the applicator pad. Now the applicator pad, I believe, is too big. It's a little overkill for what we're doing here. But you see, just applying the product here now. And you could immediately see the difference. So that's before and after. And this will take about 5 minutes to dry, but this almost looks brand new again. So this is a vinyl steering wheel. Let's give it a try on this here. This doesn't look too good. Wow. That looks so much better. So you can see the high gloss of the finished product here. It did a really nice job. It's hidden most of the scratches and is super shiny. So I still barely used any of the container, and I've done pretty much the whole car inside here with all the plastic dashboard and stuff. And I've also done a few other cars out in the driveway, some of the plastic trim that I've shown you. So it seems to go a long way. And a bottle should last you for more than several uses, I would say. So that's going to protect your car, your plastic from UV rays and from the weather. And it's, like I said, a hydroscopic ceramic finish. So very nice. I'm pleased with the product. I'm going to give it a thumbs up.